Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install the Arduino IDE Integrated Development Environment, which is needed when we will program and use our Arduino. So first, go to the website arduino.cc. This is the official website of the Arduino. Okay, so we have here materials for your Arduino. You can buy Arduino, you can learn Arduino. Then there are a lot of blogs here, including other microcontrollers like this one. These are other microcontrollers that we can use. The Android Nano, okay, and there are also other interesting projects here and kits that you can do. Okay, so we need to download the Arduino Integrated Development Environment so that we can program our Arduino. Okay, go to software, then we have here downloads. So this is the latest Arduino IDE 1.8.16. So choose your options here. You have Windows, OS, so Windows 7 and newer. You can click this. Then you can contribute later. Just click just download. Okay, so it's downloaded. Okay, downloading. It's around 113 MB. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so let's install our IDE. Okay, yes. Agree. Okay, next. Install. Okay, let's wait for the installation. Okay, this one you can install this, or you can choose later. Let's install this one. Okay, you can see here on the desktop you have here the Arduino IDE. Okay, just click on this. Okay, allow access. Okay, so this is our Arduino IDE. Now this is our sketch. We call this sketch. This is where you can write your code, program. Okay, so you can have a sample from our examples here. So you already have the Arduino Learning Kit manual and from Maker Lab. Okay, here's the library. You can click on this. Okay, controlling LED by button. Controlling LED by button. Okay, so this is the code for controlling an IED by a button. So this is given. We can explore this later on. You can change the declarations and the values. you want to explore on how the Arduino board will behave. Okay, there are a lot of examples here. Okay, you can also have examples, basics, blink, fade. Okay, these are the code. And then when you look at here, this code have comments, so you can read the comments. These are comments. Okay, you can read the comments. Let's look at other examples. Strings, starter kit basic. Okay, so you have here different examples. Display, bar graph, sensors, controls, communication. So there are a lot of examples here. Okay, you can choose examples from this. Okay, can I blink one? Okay, so this is how you download and install your Arduino IDE. Next video, we will show how to make your IDE communicate with your Arduino board. Okay, till next video, see you.